Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Yogi and today I'm gonna show you how to make this SEWER monster from the game Granny Chapter 2. Anyways, I hope you like it and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye! Okay, so apparently I cannot do a proper introduction for this video. I actually did the intro like 5 times and that was the best I could do. So I'm sorry for that, I'll try to do it better next time. Anyways, the reason I'm speaking in this video is because I just wanted to tell you that for this tutorial I mainly use my left hand because my right thumb, it was starting to get painful to use it because when you mix the colors of a clay you have to use a lot of force and especially in with the thumb, so my right thumb was starting to hurt and I didn't want to get an injury. And some people in Instagram told me that I could chop it off, but that's not an option for me. So yeah, that's why I'm mainly using my left hand in this video. But don't worry, I'm doing fine right now. I just wanted to be careful for this time, so I didn't get a worse injury. And probably with that I wouldn't be able to work for a long time. So yeah, keep enjoying this video and see you on the next time.
Looks like we've come to the end of the road. There's no point in running away now. I'd rather sleep until the storm is gone. She'd rather be shooting at me now. I know it will end up in anger. I don't think we grew up, we just became older. She's aiming her words, ready to fire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire. Like a blink of an eye's not enough. She'd rather be staying for days now. I'd rather fix it than mess up again. She'd rather be burning it all now. I know it will end up in anger. I don't think we grew up, we just became older. She's aiming her words, ready to fire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Be carefree lately, yeah. Just kicking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Count 'em like the 4-leaf clovers in my